Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice with white rice. First, ensure you're using day-old, chilled white rice. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Before you start cooking, take a moment to fluff the cold rice, breaking up any clumps so the grains are separate. Also, have all your other ingredients prepped and chopped uniformly, ready to go into the pan. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat. Once hot, add your aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, and stir-fry them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, toss in your chosen vegetables, like peas, carrots, or bell peppers, and continue to stir-fry until they are crisp tender, but still have a slight bite. Now, push the cooked vegetables to one side of the pan, creating an empty space. Add your cold, fluffed white rice directly into this cleared area. Use your spatula to break up any remaining clumps of rice, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Then, pour your prepared sauce, a mix of soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar, directly over the rice, ready for the next step. Finally, stir-fry all the ingredients together vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is well combined and heated through. If you like, push the rice to one side, scramble an egg directly in the pan, and then mix it into the fried rice for extra protein and flavor. Your delicious homemade fried rice is now ready to serve. For easy meal prep, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.